Guys, how are you? I found solution for subwoofer without volume controller. You can. I found the volume controller, this volume controller from old headphone jack, old headphone jack. I removed this jacks. This is for mic and this is for music, to hearing music. But I want to connect music from here. It's coming here, going there to this subwoofer. And today I show you how to connect this here, because you need two, because here it's only one. It's plugging in to the subwoofer. It's creative subwoofer without volume controller. I found it in my okay, no problem. And come here to wire. Let's see it. You can see here the red one. Let me focus. You see here the red one to red one. Okay, here it's not focusing, but you can see here it's red. You can cut this wire here. It's coming with 3 wire, ground and red and green. Maybe different for another wires, but I don't know obviously. Okay, and here you make 2 wire, the red and the green, and you connect here the ground wire, green to green, red and red, and here to connect the ground to the green. Okay, look. Let's check the speaker. Turn on the power. Speaker is on. This not need anymore. Keep it and plugged here. Okay, and let's check it. Maybe it's here. Just a moment, what's happened? Pull back again. How I told you, here the red one to the red one, the green to the green, but the gold one connect to this. Okay, and let's see some music. Okay, let's put it here, and you see the volume here. How it's work? It worked pretty cool. This is only the bass sound without another speaker. Okay guys, don't forget like, share and subscribe. We found the solution for this problem. Thank you.